The moment a bullet goes through an apple. Pouring Sprite into a wilted rose, leave it for a week, and the rose comes back to life. Put frozen baby strawberries in cold water. The water will instantly freeze around the strawberry. This is the secret to turning water into ice. Place strips of paper between two magnets. Place a screw and a battery on top. Connect the wires to form a circuit. This is how an electric fan works. Pour the sand into an electric pan. Shake well. Place a small magnetic iron ball. Turn on the switch. You'll see the little ball actually gain momentum. Becomes a good painter. The match head, which was not magnetic, when it burned, it can be easily picked up by a magnet. Pour 3 parts sand and 1 part starch into the bowl. Pour some soapy water over it. Mix well. Add a few drops of different paints. A safe, non-toxic and fun space sand is ready. Wrap some cotton thread around the glass bottle. Light it with a little alcohol on top. Wait for it to go out and put it in cold water. You'll be able to split the glass bottle easily.